And because you all have hearts, that is where the general education component is going to be ensured. To develop not only technical persons, but value-laden Filipinos who will be able to survive and adapt wherever they go. Because I'm sure that many of you, after you get your diplomas, will soon be joining the diaspora of Filipino professionals in many parts of the world. But we hope that you will stay in the country so that you will help push our country forward. So we hope that with the tenacity and with your cooperation and with the caring culture that the university has, we will be able to work as very, very close partners so that your individual goals, your individual dream of becoming professionals will be realized in a year's time. And I tell you, once you get through this program successfully, a whole new world waits for you out there. Thank you. Good morning.
At this point, we will be acquainted on the EDF and the goals and objectives of the participating colleges. Let's start with the College of Arts and Sciences. Here's Dr. Claudio Odette J. Ayala, Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences.
Good morning, everyone. Before I say something about my college, please watch first the video presentation.
The Mass Communication Laboratory has updated facilities and provides an ecosystem for students to apply their knowledge and hone their skills in radio production, broadcasting, photography, theater art, advertising, and digital publishing. Specifically, the University Radio by 93.5 FM band serves as a means for experiential and practical learning. The speech laboratory has the most innovative style of instruction with a high technology equipment called Digital Interactive Multimedia Program Controller, touchscreen monitor, and video camera analysis. The following group as well as the order creates a natural environment for students to appreciate the importance of interaction with plants and animals. The psychology laboratory is well equipped with psychological models that include optical illusion, first-hand
for itself, which by the way was prepared by our students in the Mass Communication Department, which somehow gives you an idea on how we train our students, because they themselves did the shooting, storyboard, the script, even the editing. Okay, so that's how we train our students. And let me give you the objectives of the college. The College of Arts and Sciences is committed to provide students education for useful membership and responsible leadership in society through its general education program. And specifically, we have the following objectives. First, to provide students liberal education to facilitate integration and liberation, to effect changes in themselves and in their environment, to realize the fullness of human life, and to effect a balance between the individual and the common good. And I guess it was emphasized by our VPAA, okay, on why you have the general education component in your ITIA program. Number two, to provide students opportunities to develop and train their skills, capacities, and creativity for manpower growth and development. Number three, to provide students opportunities to cultivate, assimilate, and propagate the arts and other forms of artistic and creative expression. And finally, to serve as a center for innovative programs that will provide opportunities for growth and development. So we have three departments in our college. We have the Department of Languages and Humanities, Department of Social Sciences, and Department of Natural Sciences and Mathematics. And we offer the following programs: AB English, AB Political Science, BS Economics, BS Environmental Science, BS Mass Communication, BS Psychology, BS Public Administration, and BS Public Affairs, and double majors in LEACOM programs, major in Mass Comm and Marketing Management, LEACOM major in Psychology and Management, and LEACOM major in Economics and Accountancy. Regarding our faculty profile, in the university we have the most number of faculty members, considering that the College of Arts and Sciences is the service department, because it is where all students in various programs take their general education courses. So that's why we have 28 full-time faculty members and 18 part-time faculty members. Okay, and this is a breakdown of the profile of the faculty. We have seven faculties with PhD or EDD degree. There are now 2 PhD EDD candidates, 9 doctoral ongoing, 24 with master's degree, 3 MA or MS candidates, 5 MA, MS ongoing. We have 1 medical doctor, we have 1 lawyer, 1 licensed forensic chemist, 1 licensed chemist, 1 licensed mining engineer, and 1 licensed scuba diver, because we have BS Environmental Science. Okay, and we have the following general education courses, and later on you will get to meet personally the faculty members who will be handling the following subjects in your ETF curriculum. So more or less, through the assessment test that was given to you yesterday, you will find out what enrichment courses you need to take in our department. So it could be communication arts, literature, mathematics, political science, sociology, Rizal, speech, Filipino, Philippine history, psychology, science, or the humanities. Okay, so that's about